Oh my goodness, guys, look at this table. A new table here this week. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Big Lots to look at more furniture. If that sounds like something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned.
Close my eyes, have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward.
This beautiful pink tufted futon, pink velvet is $280. And it is huge, guys. It can fit at least 4 to 5 people on this sofa. I'm not sure who this futon is by, guys, but if I find it, I will put it on the screen. This beautiful chair here, it is the Chelsea Winter Swivel Accent Chair for $400. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, yes. Looks like it's really comfortable. Oh, yes, it is. Really thick pillow. Whew, that's nice. Okay. Broyhill McCray pewter right arm sofa for $1,000. And it comes with 3 pillows. Really pretty and soft looking. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this table. A new table here this week. It has the iron legs and oh my goodness, I'm sure that table is heavy. It is a 94-inch carved edge dining table for $1,000. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh yes, I can't even move it, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful table. This is a beautiful nail trim chair here, guys. This chair will go really nice with that table we just seen. It is beautiful. I do not see the tag, but I'll try and find it to give the information to you guys. Okay. Oh, I see it. It is the Lincoln Home Decor brand for $150. Beautiful, guys. Really soft. Okay, guys, we have another beautiful piece here. This is a dresser by Broyhill. Broyhill Eden dresser for $560. So let's take a look. Smooth drawers. Okay, the top drawer is just a little bit smaller than the bottom two. Really nice. This picture is so beautiful. I just cannot say enough about their wall decor. It is absolutely gorgeous here and at such an affordable price. This huge picture is only $40, guys. $40, and it has the gold frame. Isn't that beautiful? OMG. And this is a new piece for this week, which is the bicycle. Oh my goodness. It goes on the wall. Let's see. It is $40. Can't beat it, guys. Cannot beat this. Beautiful. And this 2-piece frame art set here, it is $17. Oh, I like this one. This one says, it is a 2-piece and it says, the best things in life aren't things. I know that's right, for $17. 10-inch memory foam mattress. They have the king and the queen. The queen is $224 and the king is $299. Look at this black lamp. Nice. It is by Elements Decor. Yes, it is really beautiful. Is that $79.99, guys? I think we found it. Ooh, here's another beautiful lamp right here. This one. I walked right past this one. Another beautiful one, huh? Okay, $79.99. Oh, yes. Luna Kids sofa in the color black is $280. I like this 5-tier shelf right here. Beautiful color. Let's see if we can find a tag on it. But it is paired perfectly with this beautiful 2-piece sofa and love seat set. Beautiful. So the sofa is the Ashley Furniture Industries Alicio sofa for $427.49. And then the love seat is $419. Okay, we have another new piece here today, and it's going to be this beautiful Ashley Furniture Industry Falston sectional. It is $854.99. It looks like it's gray with a hint of green, but it's really, really pretty. It also comes with the Falston Rocker Recliner for $350. It's the gray upholstery accent chair with the side table for $349. The blue upholstery accent chair and the side table, 3 pieces for $350. Wow, what a steal. Guys, this Broyhill Mason Power Sofa, it is $855 in the color gray. They have the matching recliner chair for $540. They also have these cute little Drexel Sawyer armless chairs. You get a pair for $250. A pair, guys, for $250. Can't beat it. This armless sofa, it is by Broyhill here Chandler. 2-piece armless sofa is $500. This is the Broyhill Austin sofa storage seat. It is $700. Okay, we like that. We like storage. It is huge too. Ooh, love it. Console table. It is $700. It has drawers on this side. Then you have the cabinet over here. Okay. It is the King Power Bed fabric headboard for $1,050. Okay, so it has a lot that comes with it. So it has the full bed, and it also have a space where you can put like your electronics and your cups, and also you can plug in your cell phone right there. And it has the lamps at the top. White wash sleigh bed. And let's see, it is the Ashley Furniture Industries Willerton Queen sleigh bed for $332.49. Oh my goodness. It's Ashley Furniture Willerton dresser is $332.49. Okay. Same price as the headboard. Well, as the bed. It's not just a headboard, it is the full bed. So yes, it has the headboard and the end. Okay, then they have the nightstands for $190 to match. Beautiful set. Now we know this is an oldie but a goodie. It is a queen bed. It is called the Sennenberg Queen bed for $332.50. Then the dresser is this exact same price. It has the marble top. The nightstand has marble on the top as well for $171. Okay. Yes, this one is nice. The light on the headboard. Okay, yeah, you can move this light too. I like that. Chest as well. Didn't see the chest. So the chest is $256.49. Did not see this. It was behind the headboard. So the amoire is $475. Okay, it has like this little barn door. Uh-oh. Is that going to be trouble? Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Open shelves right here behind the barn door. And then they have 4 drawers on this side. Okay. So they have the amoire, the sleigh bed, the dresser, and the nightstand. And Ashley Furniture Industry piece, it is the Arliss sofa, $342. And this little love seat is $333. fireplace here. It is a 60-inch modern tan fireplace for $250. Oh yes. It is the Dotson Queen Bed. It is $237.49. The nightstand is $190. Now let me look in the back to see if they have a chest dresser or an armoire. No. But yes, it is a full bed, not just a headboard. $237.50. Not bad for that bed, guys. This Millennium Linden Ivory sofa and Chase Lounge, it is $1,300. Natural mango wood side table for $130, guys. It is pretty. This beautiful chest right here is $100. I like that little round suitcase. It is $30. Well, alright friends, that is it here today at Big Lots. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so very much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Have the foresight to